Welcome in Basic English Grammar. Today's topic is subject and predicate. Let's start. Every sentence has two parts. But do you know the definition of sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Okay, जो शब्द समूहों से हमें पूरा अर्थ बोध होता है उसको हम वाक्य कहते हैं. And every sentence has two parts. The first one is subject and the second one is predicate. Okay, but do you know what is the subject and what is the predicate? Subject. Take subject. The part which names the person or things we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. The part, सेंटेंस का जो पार्ट है जहाँ पे पर्सन थिंग्स ये कुछ कर रहा है बोल रहा है इसको क्या कहेंगे हम? द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेडिकेट? द पार्ट विच टेल्स समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. यानी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो पार्ट जो बता रहा है दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. So simple. Take example. He has a good memory. He has a good memory. What is the subject in this sentence? He. Okay. He is the sentence. Subject means he subject. And from helping verb. From helping verb. पूरा ये जो सेंटेंस है ये क्या आएगा? प्रेडिकेट आएगा. यानी हेल्पिंग वर्ब यानी हैज अ गुड मेमोरी. दिस इज द प्रेडिकेट. एंड he is a subject. Two parts of sentence. Look here. Bad habits grow unconscious. First of all हमें क्या करना चाहिए? इसका verb find करना चाहिए. What is the verb in this sentence? Grow means start from grow. This is predicate and predicate के before predicate is subject means bad habit is the subject and from verb all sentence is predicate. ओके मीन्स जो बैड हैबिट्स यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है और प्रेडिकेट हमेशा वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है. वर्ब से पूरा इधर का पूरा सेंटेंस क्या रहेगा? प्रेडिकेट रहेगा. On the top of the hill, this is the subject in this sentence. And lives a hermit, this is the predicate of this sentence. Okay, means let's see once again कि sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. It is called sentence. And every sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. In the subject, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. And the predicate, the part which tells something about the subject, this is called the predicate of the subject. यानी subject के बाद verb और verb से जो शुरू होता है पूरा इधर का sentence वो predicate के part में आएगा. और verb के before verb is a subject. Okay, I have given more example for homework. The early birds catches the worm. In this sentence, what is the verb? Catches. Okay, means before the verb is the subject. The early birds is the subject, and from the catches worm is the predicate. Okay, all matter is subject. It is indestructible is predicate. Islamabad is subject and from is the capital of Pakistan is predicate. All roads is subject and leads to Rome predicate. Nature is subject and from is the best physician predicate. The singing of the birds is subject and from delight us predicate. We is subject and from should be forfeit by experience. This is predicate. The boy is subject and from stood on the burning deck predicate. The earth subject and from revolves round the sun predicate. Edison subject and from invented the phonograph predicate. Okay, thank you.